Yeah, welcome children. So today we'll discuss exercise 10.4 problems. Problem number 1. The first problem. The radius of a sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Radius of a sphere 3.5 centimeter. Then find its surface area and volume. Right. So volume of a sphere formula. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. So simple, r is enough for us, right? Already r value given now. Next, surface area. Surface area formula 4 pi r square. Now 4 into pi value 22 by 7, r value 3.5 into 3.5. 7 ones are 7 5s are 35, so have written 0.5. So 0.5 is nothing but half, okay, half. So if you take 11 into half, 22 into half, get 11. 11 4s are 44 into 3.5. So 3.4 into 44. 4 5s are 20 to carry 12 plus 2 14. The same thing will get again 0 4 5 1. So only one digit, right? So simple 154.0 centimeter square. Simple will write 154 centimeter square because after the decimal we have only 0, right? So that we can write 154. If you go to 4 by 3 now, value 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5, same 3.5, sorry, 7 on the 7. Can look at 4, 22, 0.5, 3.5. 4, 22, 0.5 pi r cube also. 3.5. 1, 2, 3 r cube. Right? So up to 4 pi r square answer we got it 154. So I'll write 154 into 3.5 by 3. So we'll multiply both 154 3.5, so 20 2 carry, 25 plus 2 27 2 carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7, 3 4s are 12 1 carry, 5s are 15 plus 1 16 1 carry 4. Simple, we'll write 0 9 13, yeah, 539.0. So simple, we'll write 539 by 3, correct? If you want to express in a decimal form, beta, 3 5 3 9, 5 1 3 ones are 3 and 2 3, 3 sevens are 21, 2 9, 27 2.088. Same, it repeats, right? So simple, we'll write a 179.66 centimeter cube. It's a value. Next, the surface area of a sphere is 1018 into 2 by 7 square centimeter. Then what is its value? Okay, we'll see. Surface area of a sphere. Yeah, surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere is equals to 1018 into 2 by 7 square centimeter, right? So now we'll write by 7 as it is 1018 into 7. 7 8s are 56 pi carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 5 12, 7 plus 2. Simple, we write a 7128 centimeter square. But but what is surface area of a sphere formula? Surface area of a sphere formula 4 pi r square. Right? So 4 pi, if you write 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 7128 by 7. 7 and 7 get cancelled. Simple r square is equal to, write 7128 by 22 into 4. Yeah, 4 into 22, 22 into 4. 11 table. 11 2s are 22. 11 6s are 66, 5 2. Okay. 11 4s are 44, 8 8. Yes. Next. If it is possible, we will go with the 4 table. 4 1s are 4. 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are. Simple r square is equal to, write 162 by 2. Simple will write 81. So r is equal to, will write a square root of 81, 9 centimeters. Radius value. It is only radius value. Okay. Then what about volume? Volume of a sphere. Same second problem. Same problem. Volume of a sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Am I right? So we'll write 4 by 3 pi value 22 by 7, r value 9. So 9 into 9 into 9. Am I right? So 3 1s are 3 3s are. Right? We'll calculate. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 3. Simple, I can write 243. But 22 4s are 88 by 7. Just multiply both. 243, 88. So 8 3s are 24, 2 carry. 32 plus 2, 34, 3 carry. 16 plus 3, 19. Simple 4, 4, 9, 1. 4, 8, 13, 11, 2. Yeah. Simple, I can write 21,384 by 7. Okay. But if you really wants to express this one as a mixed fractions, the mixed fraction always expressed in the form of a q into r by d. Here q represent the quotient, r represent remainder, d represent denominator or divisor. Okay. So try to divide it. 2 1 3 8 4 7. It is d. Okay. It is place of q. Right. 7 3s are 21. So 3 not divisible, no. So 0. We'll take one more digit. 8. 7 5s are 35. 3 and next digit 4. Right. 34. So 7 4s are 28. 28. 6 is a remainder, right? It is a remainder, correct? So QRD form, Q 3054 into 6 by 7. That is our value, right? Next, the length of equator is length of equator of a globe. Okay, the length of equator of a globe is 44 centimeters. Then then find its surface area. Okay, just imagine okay, it's a globe. So now we are talking about equator. So equator is a line which covered around the globe. So simple, around the sphere, right? So it is simple circumference. I can say it is a circumference. The boundary of a circle formula is 2 pi r. So formula is 2 pi r, but the given value is 44 centimeter. 44. But the circumference formula is 2 pi r is equal to 44. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. Simple. R is equal to 44 by 2. 2 multiplying, and the 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22. Simple. 22 ones are 22 twos are 2 get cancelled. R value has 7. Now what does he asking us? He is asking us to find surface area. is asking us to find surface area of a globe, and the globe in the example of a sphere, right? So formula 4 pi r square. Simple. 4 into 22 by 7 into r value 7, again 7 and 7 get cancelled. 88 into 7, answer 7 8s are 56, 5 carry, 7 8s are 56 plus 5, 61 centimeter square, because it's a surface area. Right. Next, the fourth question is, the diameter of a spherical ball is 21 centimeter. How much leather is required to prepare 5 such balls? Okay. The diameter of a ball. Yeah. So diameter of a ball is 21 centimeter. So ball is also example of a sphere. Okay. So then D value is 21 centimeter. R value is D by 2. That's nothing but 21 by 2 centimeter. I don't want to write again decimal form, because 21 is odd number. No need to get. Okay. Now surface area of one ball. Yeah. So ball in the form of sphere, right? And indirectly I'm talking about surface area of a sphere. Formula 4 pi r square. So 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. 2 2s are 4m, right? 4 get cancelled. 7 1s are 7 3s are. Simple. 22 into 63, right? 21 3s are 63. 63 2 2. 6 12, same. 6 12. 6 8 3 1, right? So answer 1386 centimeter square, because it's surface area. But the question is about find how much of cloth is required to make 5 such balls. So simple, we'll write a surface area of 5 such balls is equals to, write 5 into 1386 centimeter square. So we'll multiply directly. 5 6 are 30, 3 carry. 5 8 are 40 plus 3, 43, 4 carry. 5 3 are 15 plus 4, 19, 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 6. So we need 6930 centimeter square of cloth to make such 5 balls. Okay. Next, find the total surface area of a hemisphere whose radius is 10 centimeters. Whose radius is 10 centimeters and is mentioned, use the pi value is 3.14. Sixth problem. It's a hemisphere whose radius is 10 centimeters, and hint he has given, use pi value as a 3.14. Right. So T years A of a hemisphere, formula 3 pi r square. Okay, so we'll write 3 into pi value 3.14 into 10 into 10, and it's surface area, no? So we'll write centimeter square. Okay, so we'll simplify it. 3 into 314. If you remove the decimal, after the decimal 1 2, so we'll get 2 zeros, 100. 10 into 10, so 0 0 0 10. 10 tens are 100, get cancelled by 100. So multiply directly. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. 3 3s are 9 centimeter square. So that is a surface area of a hemisphere. Right? So this is our problems of today's, and the rest of the problems we'll see tomorrow, and we'll meet in tomorrow's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.